We come from a long line of service in the brand, from firefighters to construction workers and regular neighbor helping neighbor type of situations. And so with pickup trucks, it just lends itself to helping put a tree in the back and plant it in the yard. So it's an easy connection and easy way to put our trucks to good use.
You know, I grew up here, I live here in this area, and I've watched it, turn brown, like they were saying, and get dirty, and that's why I volunteer. I want to clean it up, want to make it look better, want to make it look nicer.
I saw that you could volunteer, and I've never volunteered, so I thought, why not? Volunteer and help the community, get to meet other people that have the same brand and make new friends.
No one's prodding these guys to come out and serve. We just give them an opportunity and say, this is Ram Nation. If you want to serve, come on out. And so it's really neat because it's not brand promoted. It's just from their hearts, really. So they want to come out and use their trucks and serve. It's just in their personalities, I think, and in their DNA, really, to come out and help.